Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying a few essentials. Check the ZIP size and make sure the target drive has adequate free space. Aim for about 10% free. Once done, right-click the ZIP and choose Extract All to begin. Windows shows the default path, and you can change it now. If Extract All is missing, make sure File Explorer is set as default for. Zip or install a lightweight tool like 7-Zip. This step gets you into the extraction workflow fast. If extraction stalls or throws errors, run the action as administrator to bypass permission blocks. Right-click the extractor and choose Run as administrator. Make sure antivirus or real-time protection isn't quarantining files. Temporarily disable it or add an exclusion for the ZIP to test. When File Explorer fails on complex archives, use 7-Zip. Open the archive and choose Extract 2, since it handles non-standard compression and path length issues better. This explains why a third-party tool often succeeds where Explorer does not. Complete extraction and immediately verify key files open. Look for 0-byte files or CRC errors, which signal corruption. If you hit long path or file name problems, extract to a short path like /temp or map a subfolder to a drive letter to shorten paths. That fixes many Windows-specific failures. If files remain corrupted, re-download the ZIP or ask the sender to recreate the archive using a different method. One key troubleshooting tip: always test opening a few extracted files before deleting the original archive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.